Coco and Pip are on Let's Make a Sentence. To win a lifetime of art supplies, they need to create complex sentences. A complex sentence contains an independent clause and a dependent clause. An independent clause is a complete thought, so it can be a sentence on its own. A dependent clause cannot stand alone as a sentence because it doesn't express a complete thought. It usually provides more information. Here we have the sentence, "She wore a hat and gloves because it was cold." In this example, "she wore a hat and gloves" is an independent clause. "Because it was cold" is a dependent clause. The dependent clause begins with a subordinating conjunction, which links dependent clauses to independent clauses. Dependent clauses usually begin with a subordinating conjunction such as after, before, because, although, when, since, when.
Does your kid need extra help outside of school and you don't know what service to use? Look no further than Sofatutor. Here's why it's so special and why it actually works. Sofatutor has this amazing 12-minute method which makes learning a fun and stress-free experience. After starting on a topic, kids learn for just 5 minutes thanks to really fun and concise animated videos that break down a subject. The next 5 minutes is to review and test their knowledge, and it's in this cool game that keeps it super fun. And then in the last 2 minutes, that time's used for them to ask any questions they might have. It's simple but effective. Sofatutor is really flexible with videos, the exercises, printable worksheets, interactive books. It makes it a breeze for your child to learn at their own pace on any device. Even better, Sofatutor adds new lessons and materials every single week. So why not give Sofatutor a shot and watch your child thrive? Trust me, you will love it as much as we do. And you can try it free for 30 days. There's no strings attached.